Hey everybody, thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. I'm going to do a pour today on a 12 by 36 inch canvas, which I already have my base down. I'm using Lofts Acrylic Flow Black for my base. I was watching some YouTube videos today and Molly's Artistry popped up and I watched this pour that she did on a black base and it was beautiful. So I'm inspired. I'm gonna do a Dutch pour, which I guess, which I haven't done for a very long time. So hopefully my paints are thin enough and flow right. It's been a while since I've done one, but I'm really excited to do this. So let's get started here. I hope I don't use too much paint, but I have a feeling that I am. I always use these plastic cups now. I don't know why, I just bought these ones, and when I did some few Dutch pours before in the past, I would use those little Dixie cups because they're, you know, you could squeeze it better and control your paints coming out a little bit better than these plastic cups can. And so see what happens here. Oh, and the colors I'm using, I didn't even tell you. I'm using Decoart's Metallic Berry. I'm using the Decoart's Metallic, the Dazzling Metallics Pearl, or Peacock Pearl. I'm using a mixture of the Decoart's Metallic Deep Sapphire and the Pearl Electric Blue from Arteza. The purple that I'm using is Soho's Dioxazine Violet. I don't even know where right here. Soho's Dioxazine Violet. And then I'm going to use a little bit of white on here, which is Creative Inspirations Pearlescent White. And I'm just going to put a little bit of white. I have so much paint there. I hope I don't have too much. I hope this isn't too thick. Alrighty, I'm going to torch this. It's been a while since I've done this, and when I do like my schmears and stuff, my paints are a little bit thicker. So hopefully I thin these out enough to do what I need. I'm just going to put a little bit of black here. And hopefully this works. All right.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
But just look at that. Beautiful lacing. Colors are really pretty. But thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, please let me know what you think about it. It's really pretty though. I really like the negative space. I love the white going through there. It looks really good. But thanks again everybody for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you will like and subscribe and share if you haven't already. And I hope everybody's being healthy and safe from COVID. I know it's gotten better here, but then they've gotten a few of that new variant here in Nebraska, so you still got to be careful out there. But thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day and have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.